So you want to tackle potty training and you're really worried about getting it wrong. Maybe you've started already and had a bad experience, or you know somebody who has, or you imagine that it's going to be horribly messy with a very resistant child and you just can't face the tears and tantrums over it. Well, hi, I'm Camilla McGill. I'm a mother of 4 and founder of My Parenting Solutions. I've been working with parents for nearly 20 years, and during this time, I've researched and devised the most gentle, collaborative and effective method for potty training your child. I've worked out how to give you the skills and confidence to make it a really positive and bonding experience. When it goes wrong, potty training can be frustrating and traumatic, and I'm here to show you how to avoid all the pitfalls and get it right. So if you're interested in learning more about my method, I've packaged my years of experience into a free online web class where I'm excited to teach you how to potty train your child without tears, frustration and lots of mess. So all you need to do is click the link or the button somewhere on this video, and that'll take you to a page to register for the training. I can't wait to see you there.